You're told IT issues are just part of the job, but imagine your team racing to deliver for a client, only to lose hours and trust when a storage server fails. That's not just a nuisance, it's lost billable time and missed opportunities. Nearly 25 to 30% of the IT services market now relies on managed IT services to keep things running smoothly. As Sean Wilkowski, president at Keytel Systems, puts it, with managed IT, you get more than tech support. You gain a reliable foundation so your team can focus on delivering great work. Unpredictable IT costs, surprise outages, and constant firefighting drain your focus and profit. Managed IT services replace that chaos with predictable costs and proactive support. No more shock invoices for emergency fixes. Your IT scales as your business grows, letting you focus on what matters most. 3 in 4 companies expect managed services to fuel transformation, not just patch problems. You get enterprise-level expertise on demand, without the hassle of building a full IT department. This isn't just about keeping the lights on. Managed services unlock real growth, whether you're rolling out automation, securing sensitive data, or scaling your team. Over 60% of large enterprises trust managed services for expansion and stability. You gain rapid scaling, tight cost control, and expert support built around your vision. Operational maturity means fewer outages, smarter risk management, and a team focused on your goals, not just tech specs. Ready to move from reactive headaches to lasting progress? Read the full article on our website, and don't forget to add us to your playlist.